Hello everyone, my name is Liz Hickok and I am one of the full-time librarians here at SJCC, just in case there are any of you who I haven't met personally yet. So I was very grateful this year to have been approved for purchasing additional print book materials for the library collection in honor of our various heritage months. These books were used to create beautiful displays in a glass display case right at the front entrance of the library, and I would invite you all to come and see the latest one when you have a chance. So today I'm here to report on the work that we did with the funds that we were given, and I will start with Black History Month. So Black History Month, I will show you here on the screen a list of the titles that were purchased, and also advice was solicited from the planning committee for the Heritage Month as well, and they did suggest some titles which were also purchased. These books were put on display, and we counted, our gate count in February was over 1,200 students. So because the display case is right at the entrance of the library, we know for sure all of these students saw the display. And also, anecdotally, I can also report, I know that this display had meaning for these students. It is not a coincidence that we had an African American student express interest in applying for a work study after looking at the display. So, and I received numerous anecdotal comments as well. So we have both the hard numbers of 1,200 students who had their eyes on the display, and then also that really touching, powerful story of a student who's now interested in working at the library. I believe, at least in part, it is because of this display. So we continue to purchase additional materials. The following month, for March, we purchased materials for Women's History Month. Women's History Month included books for women in history, science and medicine, sports, and leaders of industry as well. Once we consulted with the planning committee, we added these additional titles for women and business and trade. So these titles were purchased and put on display. Some of them came in a little bit late. Unfortunately, it does take 8 to 10 business days for materials to arrive. So due to the timing, these books are actually still out there. So there's still time to come and see them before we put out our next display, which is coming up for Middle Eastern Heritage Month. So I was able to track gate count for March. So we were down a little bit in March. We served 556 students, but I do still believe that just like with Black History Month, these displays continue to be a really powerful statement of belonging and inclusion here at the library, and really helping all of the students who come here every day to study, like there's a place for them and that they belong. So I thank you very much for your funding, for your approval, and I look forward to talking with you more about the displays, seeing you in the library soon, and working with you more on how the library can be a part of diversity and inclusion. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.